Art, and I am back with the giant hauls, all kinds of things. Let's get into it. So I don't know if I shared this or not, but the Combo Club of the Month is a club that Taylor Expressions does. It's like a starts in spring and ends in the summer. And every month, usually it's themes. Like one year it was, every month was a different quad, and they're exclusive to the club. And then they release products that go with it that you could purchase. And so you pay in advance for either 3 months or 6 months. So this year's theme is kind of everything goes. So it could be a quad, it could be a stamp and stencil, it could be a variety of different things. It's just whatever they feel like doing. So the one for whatever month this is, which I cannot remember, we get a pack of their cardstock. It's cardstock sampler. There it is right there. And then we get these zigzag strips, these dies, which I've not had a chance to play with. But I think they're really fun. So we got that as one of our months, and I think there was additional things that went with it, but I don't think I bought any of the items that went with it. So that's fun. And then some other things are this Combo Club, which I did buy some of the things that that go with it. So I don't, what did I buy? I bought this. I can't remember all the things that I got with the, oh, I think this is what I got to go with it. Okay, so the most recent one is this pressed, it's really big. It's this Pressed Petals red rubber stamp and die combo. So you get the stamp set. Oh, it looks really big because the packaging is big. But you get the stamp set with these lovely sentiments. This is why I mean, if you saw my last video about how I don't really buy sentiments, or I need to stay away from sentiments because I have so many. And then it comes with the die. And then they give you some color combinations that you could use to color with it, which, you know, I don't use all those, but you could just translate these into Copics if you want to use that. And then I did get, in addition, I bought the foilet, which I enjoy the foilet. And then I did get the stencil. So instead of coloring, I have the option of stenciling, which works for me. So I did get that. And then some additional items that I got. Taylor had her birthday, so she had a special birthday release. And so, got all this stuff everywhere. Let's see if I can find all the things that are related to Taylor, so I can kind of get it all in one go. Okay, so a couple of things here. So she had a release of birthday things, okay? So part of that is, I'm trying to find all the right pieces that go together, is this 3D embossing folder postmarked birthday. I need to go through and find which ones I don't have, because I do have the die, and the die, you buy the die one time and it cuts all of these out. But basically it is a stencil, so you stencil it, and then you could just use the embossing folder over it and then cut it up, and you've got a card. Or you can use the die on it, and then you've got these little pieces to use for a card. But this one's birthday, which I think is great. I also got the foil because the foil with this is chef's kiss, really. And then I also picked up the big birthday hugs, and I picked up the birthday girl, and it gives you all of these wonderful color combinations, which I love that. And then this was I think this was a freebie, and then I got these little pieces that go with it. Okay, so there's that. And then with the summer school, which I have not done my video yet on that, which I will, they had a couple of things that I did add on, which I didn't add on a lot, but I did get the capsule stacklets because there was 10% off. And then I did get the masking stencil with that. So I did get that. And then for that month, the critter was this super cute octopus. So every month you get a freebie. And so this was the freebie. And I did pick up the die that goes with that. And then here is the sentiment that you can get that goes with that. Okay, and then Simon Says stamp, they sent me for my birthday a coupon code to get a free stamp and die. I can't remember if I had to make a small purchase or not. I don't think I did. I think it was just free. And so this was the stamp set that I got for free. Isn't that amazing? For my birthday. I thought it was so cool. And I got the die that goes with it. So that was a freebie. I did pick this up also from Simon Says Stamp, which is a Cherries 3D embossing folder because it was on sale. I think. I don't even know if it was, but it was a good price, whatever it was. And then from the Not Too Shabby shop, I picked up their new stamp sets, which I think will work for a project I'm working on right now, or I will be working on very shortly. And then their new accordion mini album die, which really looks like fun. I think it would also really work for a fun card. I don't know, I'm going to play with that. I think this is fun. So I did pick that up. And then, let's see. I picked up something that I already have from Sunny Studios. So it is going to go into my D-stash in November. But I did pick up some things I don't have, which is great because I had won $50 from Sunny Studio for commenting on their blog for their new release. And so I did pick this up. I've been having my eye on this one forever. And this is called Penguin Pear, and it's so freaking cute. And the die. And then this is a bowl. Build a bowl dies. And I've got so many fruits that I need to find a place to put the fruits in. So the fruit bowl is going to do it. Okay. And then let's get into La La Land Crafts. So, you know, I think Sunny Studios is, I think, one of those companies that I think is, I don't want to say underutilized, but it's a sleeper. And I don't see a lot of people doing things with Sunny Studios, and they should, because Sunny Studios is amazing. They have some of the really cutest products. I've been a long time fan of theirs. And so La La Land Crafts is putting on a in-person event, but I think they also have a virtual one that you could do. It is pricey. And the reason why it's so expensive, first of all the projects that you make they're extra. Her projects are extra. And I believe that you're going to be coloring all different things. And she's really good about, she uses Olos, but she's really good about telling you the Copic colors because she was a big Copic person for years. It includes, you know, class kits, which are pre-cut. And like I said, her stuff is extra. And I'm not going to do it this year. I was tempted, but I'm not going to. But anyway, so there's that. But this is the, oops, I think I flashed the coupon code. Sorry, everything's falling. I meant to cover it up. So we'll have to, if you got the coupon code, that's a big oops. But, you know, maybe I can bleep it out. But anyways, Kid of the Month, and you get all of these things. I'm going to go over it with you. Dang it. I keep dropping things. It's one of those days of too much stuff. Anyway, this kit is really cute, and it is not cheap. Her stuff is I won't say it's totally expensive, but it's definitely, it's quite a bit, this kit. But it's well worth it. Her stuff is very nice. So it's the Sun Hat Marcy. You get an anchor. You get shells. and you get a beach house. You also get these really cute seagulls. So it's super, really freaking cute. And instead of showing you guys, just switch the cover up on here. That code might be old anyways, because I think that was May, so it doesn't even matter. I didn't mess up too much. This is the one I have to make sure I don't show you guys, I think. Now this is even older. This is April. So I haven't gotten June yet. I don't even know what June is. But it's geckos, and it's Sitting Marcy in boots, and it's whatever those cattails. Is that what that is? It's a log and another sort of log situation. Anyway, these are really cute, and the stuff that she does with it's amazing. One of the sort of sleeper situations. All right, now let's get into different Spellbinders orders I have put in. So these are not all at once. They had some clearance stuff, and that's where I got this one from. I did kind of splurge on this because I saw some really cute stuff with this. This is Pink Lemonade Stand. It's a Simple Stories for Spellbinders, and I think it's really, really cute. And then some other clearance stuff I got is this girl and this stitched study nook, which I'm very doubtful I'm going to do any stitching because I'm doubtful that I might do that, but I do like the whole situation, so I did get that. And then I did pick this one up. This was a small die of the month. Cute. And then I picked this up. Good to know that I got this. I don't buy it again. Really cute. I think you can probably use this gazebo in other ways. I'm gonna have to see what I can do. And then I freaking love this. This is City Holiday. So this is a city holiday, and then it makes this beautiful house. But then to go with City Holiday, you've got these pieces, everyday awnings and everyday windows, curtains, and flower boxes to turn your city holiday into a non-holiday adventure. So that's really fun and cute. All right, now moving on to Lawn Fawn. I have not bought things from Lawn Fawn in a while, and it just, like I said, trying not to buy so much, but I really, really loved the free gift for their newest release, and so I wanted to get to do it. You always get free paper, which I use the free paper all the time. I find ways to use it. And like this is really great for cutting out and using for grass, for example, you know? So I do find ways to use that paper. It's amazingly good. So the release is so cute. First of all, they came out with these Highland cows, and I don't have any cows that look like this, and they're so cute. So I got them. It's called Highland Cows, and I got the die as well as the coloring stencil. And I have not used the coloring stencils yet, so I'm curious to see how those work. And then let's see. They also have the lemonade stand, which I think is so cute, and the die, and then the coloring stencil just to see how I like it. And then they did a lot of bee stuff. I'm trying to stay away from bees because I have a lot of bees, but who knows. But I did like these words. And then the freebie. So you always get twine, which a lot of times I do find ways to use the twine we get. But this is the freebie, which is really cute. And I do already have some bee stuff from them. Let's see if that works. And then you also get a free little stamp set. This a little stamp sentiment. This one says just for you. So that is my haul. It's huge. I'm going to be busy. Thanks for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.